Watching unboxing treasure. So today I am going to show you a new kind of shoes that I just ordered. I opened it. I just ordered that from Instagram. I also put the link. So this is the shoes. Let's see. How was it? So this is the full pair of shoes. Okay. This is the full sole. It backside it has 97 Supreme. That's Supreme, and the world famous logo. Okay, so let's see how its quality, build quality. The strips are just right, nice one, spongy, and it's fabric, synthetic fabric. Just a mark. If you just do this, it will get out. Okay, this is just synthetic fabric. This is full to this part. Fully यहाँ से start होता है, यहाँ तक खत्म होता है. So this is, I think this is the best, one of the best. So back side 10 लिखा हुआ है because I ordered my size 10. Okay. Inside part is attached. Okay. I am not able to put that out, so I can say almost this is good one. I rate this almost 3 to 3.8 stars. So this is the end. The second one. Let's see the pairs before ending the video. So how the pair looks. There is also one thing more. The ear logo. So not bad. It is under 1,000, but almost good enough. This is under 1,000, but it's almost good enough one. So, yes, bye and bye. See you later. And don't forget to share and subscribe. And please like.